Mirosita, and today I'm be showing you guys how to make slime. But this is for like school, since school is kind of stressful. And if you like bring slime to school, you'll be not that stressed. So what you need to make it is a bowl, a spoon, some coloring, water, borax, Elmer's glue. It can be clear glue or white glue. So first, I'm gonna start with. I have all my ingredients. So I'm just gonna move away the borax and the water, and I'm gonna keep the food coloring and the glue. So first, you're just gonna pour how much glue you want. There. You're gonna pour how much glue you want. Okay, that's enough. That's too much. Okay. Now, after you pour in the glue, you're going to add, I'm doing violet, but you can do whatever color you want. I want it to be a little bit, but not too, I want it to be, there. I don't want it to be too dark, but I want it to be colored, so I can still see the clear. I'm just going to mix it up until it's all gone. This is what I mean. I want it to be clear, but I want it to be colored at the same time. So now that it's violet, I'm just going to add some water. And then I'm going to add, it looks blue on the camera, to me. Anyways, I'm going to add water. And then mix that up. Then I'm gonna borax. And don't add too much borax, or else it's going to be like hard and you can't even like stretch it. So just add little at a time. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm done with the slime. So here it is. It's very pretty. I'll show you how good it is on at the end. So yeah, on to the next slime. Okay guys, now I'm gonna do white glue. So I'm gonna move everything except for the green food coloring. I'm using the green this time, and the white glue. So first, you're just going to open your white glue and just pour how much you want. It's just like the clear glue. Wait. 1 second. There. There. Okay. Now I'm going to add the green. Add just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm just gonna mix all this up. Okay guys, I'll be right back once I'm done adding. I'm done with adding all the green. Now all you need to do is just add water and then mix all that up. I decided going with my hands because I added borax off the camera and I didn't add water.
I did add water.
Now let's do it. So before you add the borax, just add water to it and then mix it. And then once all the water is gone, then add the borax. Okay, now I'm going to add the borax. Little by little, or else it is going to get really hard and it's not going to be like stretchy or anything. Okay guys, I'll see you after I'm done with it. Here it is. It is a little bit jiggly since I added water after I added borax. So let me just get the other slime and I'll do the final pokes and all that stuff. So here's the first slime, the purple slime. It was on the guitar the whole time, so that's why it's flat. Here it is. It's a little bit hard since it was just on the see? I think I over boraxed it, but you have to over borax it a little bit so when you leave it out to like clear up, it's not so sticky. Because I have one that's like really sticky. Like once I like leave it for like maybe 2 or 3 days, it gets like really sticky. Right now it's over boraxed a little bit, so I'm leaving out to clear up, and sometimes it gets sticky. On to the next one. This one's the white glue. And then here, this is the white glue and the clear glue mixed together. It is very soft. So yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button because I'm going to be doing an ASMR video if we hit 20 subscribers. We're already at 18. I think we can go to 20. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And if you want to be in a shout out in my ASMR video, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if you want a ASMR video. If you don't want an ASMR video, you can comment another video, and you will get a shout out in my next video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.